How to remove Shopify from footer. So for this tutorial, you want to remove this thing here called Powered by Shopify. So what you need to do is first go to your Shopify homepage and then just click on online store here. After clicking on that, just click on the three dots here and click on edit code. Now what we're going to do next is click on the search bar here and look for footer. After typing footer, click on footer.liquid. Next is click anywhere here and on your keyboard click on Ctrl and F. Now search for powered. Now after searching for powered, click on next. After OK, once you find this, just highlight it and delete it. Now next is what you're going to do is save. So we want to make sure that Powered by Shopify is now gone, so click on preview store and let's scroll down, and here the Powered by Shopify is now gone, and that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.